Hello everybody, I am Mimi from India. I am going to present what I have learned in this training program MOOC on MOOC from week 0 to week 5. MOOC is a new online medium for course delivery and learning. It is offered by IIT Kanpur, Commonwealth of Learning and TQIP. I am thankful to the team members, Professor T.V. Prabhakar from IIT Kanpur, Dr. Balaji Venkatraman from Commonwealth of Learning, Dr. Balvinder Sodhi from IIT Ropar, Mr. Ashish Agrawal from IIT Kanpur and Mr. Ricky Chang from Commonwealth of Learning. Course content and topics. Now coming to the lectures week by week. Week 0 lectures. In this lecture, MOOC was introduced. First MOOC was started in 2008, but 2012 is called the year of the MOOC. Now, how to use MOOC? That is, how to navigate the platform. All of us are now familiar with MOOC. Now coming to week 1 lectures. What is a MOOC? MOOC is an online course aimed at unlimited participation and open access via the web. MOOCs provide interactive user forums. Now coming to taxonomy, X MOOCs and C MOOCs. X stand for extended. MOOC, LOOC, SOOC and TOOC comes under X MOOC. C MOOCs, C stands for connectivities. Now coming to week 1 lectures. History of MOOC. MOOC started in 2008 in Canada at University of Manitoba. MOOC was coined by the Cormier and Alexander. Standard AI course was started in 2011. MIT edX started in 2012. Coursera launched in 2012. Udacity also launched in 2012. MOOC started in higher education in 2011. It started as a professional training in 2013. Now, why institutions and teachers offer MOOCs? For branding and positioning the institution. How did MOOCs come about? CBT, that is computer-based training, need computer but not network. E-learning needs both computer and a network not necessarily connected to internet, but MOOC is an online learning that definitely needs internet access. MOOC comes about a predecessor. Open educational resources precede MOOC. OER was not enough, so MOOC came into existence. Now what is inside a MOOC? That is architecture of a MOOC. Components of MOOC are events, certification, analytics, assessment, identity, interactions and educational resources. Now coming to week 2 lectures. Coming to components of MOOC one by one. One is educational resources. Video lectures, best practices and content form educational resources. Interaction, very important aspect of a MOOC. Interaction mechanisms are forum, online hangout, chat, social media, blogs and Wi-Fi. Now coming to next component, identity. It is used to establish identity in MOOC. Methods are online verification, that is photo with a webcam. Third-party issued identity cards, that is driving license, passport, national identity card. edX uses verified certificate. Coursera uses signature track. Typing patterns are also used for identity, like adjacent keystrokes, relative keystroke speeds, classes of shift key usage. Face-to-face recognition is used. NPTEL is using the concept of proctor exams, that is, a student is asked to go to a place, a center, to take the exam. This is called proctor exam. Now, assessment. It is integral part of learning. Methods of assessment are automated grading, that is, multiple choice questions, true false question. All this comes under automated grading. Next method is peer and self-assessment, that is, student grade other students. Rubric, it is one of the scoring tool. Now coming to next component of MOOC, analytics. It measures the student engagement with the course. Methods are how many times students spend, number of logins, how many resources he is accessed, number of artifacts produced, number of finished assignments. One of the software for site analytics is Google Analytics. It generates statistics about website traffic and traffic sources. Now what is certification? The student wants a certificate. Types of certificate are participation certificate. It is based on analytics, that is how many lectures student attended. Competency certificate, it is based on assessment, that is the student taken the exams and passed the exam. Verified certificate, in this certificate identity is established. Now who gives the certificate? Instructor can give the certificate. If it is a company can give the certificate. Now what is the worth of certificate? It is not equivalent to university course. E-portfolio. When the course is done online, it is called e-portfolio. Now when the course is done online, how it is verified? Verifying the certificate. So a certification URL is there. It allows others to check the certificate's authenticity. Now event management. MOOC is an event. How is it an event? MOOC involves identity management, learning analytics, certification issues. Finally, all these have to be put together under an event. What is happening and when? E-course educational resources have to start working on them much before the course is flowed. Identity management is done before the course starts. Interactions are happening when the course is done. Assessment is happening during the course analytics. Certification related issues happen during the course and of course at the end of the course. Student engagement means registration and preparation. Now coming to the week 3 lectures. In this lecture, quality issues were discussed. Quality issues means there should be multi-directional communication between lecturers and teachers during the course. Now what are the attributes of quality? These are scalability, that is to increase the capacity, that is users. Usability, that is easy to use. Availability, that is uptime of service. Now response time. Response time during chat sessions, during heavy load and during low bandwidth connections. Configurability is flexibility to configure the services. Interoperability means reusability of the course content. Emerging learning paradigms on the internet are NPTEL and NMEICT from India. NPTEL stands for National Program on Technology Enhanced Learning. It started in 1999. It is the joint initiative of 8 partner institutions, that is 7 IITs and 1 IISc. NMEICT is an acronym for National Mission on Education through Information and Communication Technology. It started in 2009. Now what are open educational resources? NPTEL, Virtual Labs, eGyanKosh by IGNOU, eCurve by IIT Bombay, UGC CEC content, all these form online open educational resources. Now these courses are done online, so how certification takes place? Taking one of the examples, NPTEL has 2 partners. One is Google to provide the portal and other is NESCOM to provide certification process. Student receive certificates after a proctored exam. Now what is MEC? MEC stands for Massively Empowered Classroom. It is a community initiative by Microsoft Research. Portal is http://mecr.org. What is Course Builder? It is an open source MOOC platform. Its key features are to create online courses with lessons, activities and assessment. MITx. It was founded by MIT and Harvard. edX is the platform for a global audience and MITx is the production house. Now coming to week 4 lectures. Flipped classroom. It is one of the form of blended learning. MOOCs are technology intensive, that is designed for large scale, whereas flipped classroom are technologies for small scale use. In flipped classroom, students listen to the lectures at home. Problem solving and discussions are done in the class. Now, what are the problems associated with flipped classroom? Internet access is needed at home, and need is tools to record the lectures and platforms to host lectures. Now, MOOConomics business models. MOOCs are free for the student, but it is expensive to the producer. There are charges for the course is free and verified certificate cost. Taking examples, Coursera signature track has $50, edX verifies track $25, and NPTEL has cost ₹2000. MOOC is the new textbook, that is platform plus the content. Now coming to the business model, who is paying for what? The student pays for content, employer pays for data, government pays for analytics, sponsor pays for services. FutureLearn was founded by Open University. It has strong focus on pedagogy. Coursera, edX and Udacity are MOOC platforms. Now coming to MOOC, all of us are aware of MOOC. All of us are using MOOC. It is a lightweight MOOC management system which aims to make course creation and navigation very simple, highly customizable, multi-platform, that is it supports phones, tablets, etc. Efficient with server responses. Now, how we deal with low bandwidth scenario in MOOCs. Three major content components are educational resources, interactions and assessment. Now, how to deal with poor connectivity? First of all, what is poor connectivity? When video won't stream, that is there is a spinner. Solutions to poor connectivity are download slides and transcript, audio only, not video, mail videos on a DVD, use a local server. Local server concept is that a local server is created in the location they are in and make them connect to the local server, and content can be brought in from the mother server to the local server through various means. One of the example is Madhyam. Now, what is China Online? MOOC platforms in China are called China Online. One of the example are Gong Kai Ke. Now, what is MOOC by design? The technical aspects of online course delivery are delivery platform, content, user experience, assessment and feedback. Now coming to the design model, ADDIE is the design model for MOOC. A stands for analyze, D for design, another D for development, I for implement and E for evaluation. That is, ADDIE has 5 stages. Now, who are the learners in MOOC? Some people join MOOC just for fun, whereas some join for gaining skills. Now coming to the last week lectures, that is week 5 lectures. In this lecture, we came to know about how to run MOOC. Running a MOOC is itself a full MOOC. Ground rules are: have at least 50% recorded before the course starts. That is, it requires a lot of preparation before the MOOC starts. Now, running a MOOC. Major tasks for MOOC organizers are event, technology platform, content. Now, planning for a MOOC. Planning for a MOOC involves audience research, identify focus, research learning needs. Now, what is audience research? MOOC is aimed at mass participation. So, how we can get mass participation? For that, we use email and social media, especially Facebook, to intimate audience about MOOC. Now, finally, management of MOOC. How MOOC is managed? Management involves communication with joiners, course chat and forums, forum interactions, regularity and punctuality, assignments and grading, data security consideration, that is ensuring authenticated access. I hope you must have enjoyed the lecture. Thank you.